Add Forza Horizon 6 to Xbox app. How to launch Forza Horizon 6 from Xbox app on PC. 1. Install Xbox app on PC. Download and install Xbox app from Microsoft Store. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Restart the app after installation. 2. Launch Forza Horizon 6 from Steam. Open Steam Library. Start Forza Horizon 6 normally. Wait for Xbox services to connect automatically. 3. Sign into Xbox account. Xbox sign-in window should appear automatically. Log in with your Microsoft/Xbox account. Complete verification if required. 4. Link Steam and Xbox accounts. Allow account linking permissions when prompted. Confirm the correct Xbox gamer tag appears. Wait for account synchronization to finish. 5. Check Xbox app library. Open Xbox app after launching the game once. Look under Recently Played or My Library. Forza Horizon 6 may appear automatically. 6. Add desktop shortcut manually. Create a desktop shortcut from Steam. Open Xbox app and use shortcut launching if needed. Pin the game for easier access. 7. Enable Xbox Game Bar. Open Windows Gaming Settings. Turn on Xbox Game Bar. Restart the game afterward. 8. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed apps. Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options. Also repair gaming services. 9. Run Steam and Xbox app as administrator. Right-click Steam and Xbox app, select Run as administrator. Launch the game again afterward. 10. Reinstall Xbox app if game does not appear. Uninstall Xbox app completely. Restart your PC, install fresh version and relaunch Forza Horizon 6 from Steam.